Well, good day, folks, and here we are at Knowles Garden Tractors and Firewood. But we are inside today. Look at that for weather, holy cats. Yesterday was 7 degrees and 45 degrees, or 7 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and rain. And today, a snowstorm, sort of. -2 Celsius now, and I think that's about 29 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's supposed to come down for most of the day, I guess, so quite a bit down overnight. And it's still going, so it's amazing the difference that one day makes. I'll take you out to the other window and let you have a look there. So I think the wind is about 50 kilometers an hour. That would be 30 miles an hour. So it looks like it's going to be another snow clearing day, but not today. Probably tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it is, and that is what's going on here today. So, hopefully you're all having a great day, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. And I kind of think some of yous are getting snow, too. All right, goodbye now.